Hello and welcome back to another small business vlog. In this video, I'm going to be doing a lot of custom orders as well as getting ready for my fall pop-up that I had. So let's get right into the video. My last one of these vlogs I posted, a lot of you really seemed to like, so I thought I would do another one. And if you like these, be sure to subscribe because I am going to be doing another one that's kind of more Christmas and holiday themed because I am doing another pop-up in December, so I'll try and vlog that for you guys. But to start off, I am getting ready for one of my upcoming pop-ups in this video here. So I'm just painting some of these wooden blocks that I have that I'm going to make into these little wooden block frame arts. They're these little pieces of art that I make. And so I painted about 40 of those while they were drying. I went over and started to make some QR codes because I cut these out on my Cricut and stick them on the back of all the wooden blocks that I make so that if you scan it, it will take you to my Instagram, and that's how I sell my things at my small business. I either do porch pickups or I ship it to you. So I will link my Instagram below if you want to look at it just for fun or check it out if you would like. But here I'm just going to be cutting out some more stickers. I made a bunch of them, and this is what the wooden block turns out to look like with the little clip on it and everything. And I put the sticker on the back, and then I make lots of different interchangeable art for the block. And yeah, so I made about 40 or 50 of these. I cut them all, sanded them, painted them, glued on the little gold clip, and then add the stickers, and then I paint a painting for the front. So that's my process for the little wooden blocks. And I made lots of these for the pop-up that I was going to. This one was a fall themed one, so I made sure to paint lots of pumpkins, and I had lots of fall colored and orange blocks as well as ones that I usually have. And yeah, so I'm just adding lots of stickers. Like I said, I made 40 to 50 of these, so I had lots of stickers to put on, but I did complete them. It is probably one of my favorite parts of making these blocks. It just feels so satisfying because it's like the last touch and then they're complete. So I just put stickers on all of them, and I do make them on my Cricut like I said in the beginning of the video. And then once I did that, I started to paint more art, which I needed to paint some Halloween and like fall themed. So I made these cute little like what's it called, candy corn paintings, which I did have a tutorial on how to paint these. If you're curious, I made a video just for that. But I made lots of different frame size and then some on cards for my pop-up with this little candy on them, and I think it turned out really cute. And then I also painted a bunch of pumpkins, of course, so I had like Thanksgiving cards, fall cards, Halloween, and harvest, all the things. So I made sure to have lots of those because, like I said, this pop-up that I was going to was fall themed, and so I wanted to have lots of things for that time of year because I knew that's what people were coming to shop for. I also made sure that I was stocked up on all the cards that I usually have or my normal designs, and so I painted a bunch of those just to make sure I had enough. Here is a very real and very messy picture video of my desk before I went to the pop-up. This is the day before. It's covered in stuff. I started to pack up some stuff. I didn't take a bunch of really great videos at the pop-up, but I'm going to at my next one, so be sure to subscribe for that vlog. I did take a few little videos here, and then I did post some pictures of it on my Instagram, so here are those. And yeah, overall it was a fun day. I had a pretty good turnout and sold a good amount of things. And then the second half of this vlog, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of custom orders that I worked on after my pop-up. So this one I was making for like a doctor's office or whatnot, like health business. So I painted these two different cards. She wanted me to paint her different framed art that said different things that she could like put around her office. So I did that for her. She picked out a design and kind of the font she wanted, and she just DM'd it to me over on Instagram, and I worked on that. And then yeah, this took me a few days to complete, but I really like how it turned out. I love the design. This is definitely one of my favorites to do. I really like this like modern kind of leaf look. So I made sure I had a bunch of those, and I painted a bunch of them because I think she got around 5 or 6 frames. And then she had one that was that pet's picture that I showed you earlier, so I painted that as well. After that custom order, I needed to work on some taco cards. I made one of these a little while ago, posted it on my Instagram, and so many people liked it, and a lot of people ordered it. So this is what my cards look like. They're just a blank card on the inside. They have a QR code on the back, and it comes with an envelope. And I needed to make a bunch more of these tacos because I had 2 different orders for them, and I think each person ordered like 5 or 6. So I needed to paint a bunch of them, and each one is different because they're all handmade, so that's fun and unique. So I painted a bunch of those. And then the best part, personally, what I think of this video is the packaging. I love seeing packaging all the orders. It's so satisfying too at the end, just seeing them all packed up. So here I'm packaging the first taco order, and these ones, I think I did 4 of the cards that say it's okay to fall apart, tacos fall apart, and we still love them. And then the other card, it says let's talk about how amazing you are. And then she had this little card which is for the wooden block art. And then I always like to stick some free gift tags or bookmarks in all my orders just for fun as a little thank you. So I just packaged all of these up in a little cellophane bag because if water spills on these, they will get ruined because they're watercolored, each one, so it's water-based and it will smear everywhere. So I like to package them up and tie a little bow with some string. I add this cute little sticker on it that just says handmade with love. I got a huge roll of these off of Temu when I did a Temu haul on my channel, so be sure to check that out if you're curious. And this other order is just a bunch of cards that say let's talk about how amazing you are. So I packaged all this up along with some more free gift tags. I like to stick a couple in there according to the holidays coming up, just so my customers can kind of see the different ones that I have so they can look forward to them in their next order. So I made up these 2 orders and then they were all finished, and I did get a few more, so I will show you the finished product of packaging those up as well once I add the stickers on these. Here are the picture frame little art pieces all finished up. This one says stress and anxiety, this one says sleep, and then the next one says pain. The next one says pets, and then the last one says raffle. And then I did paint one very large piece of art, and I also put it inside of a frame, and it says achieve wellness. So those are all the art pieces put together, and I also decided to give her this cute little free block as a thank you. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute overall. This order turned out great. I packaged it up in some more cellophane bags, and it was ready to go. This one was a porch pickup, so I just put it on my porch. And then this next order was completely customized. So she wanted 2 different types of bee cards that said happy birthday, a sunflower card that said happy birthday, and then this special request music card, and she had a little quote that she wanted on it as well. So I packaged that up for her. And then when I was testing out the bees, trying to figure out how I wanted to paint them or how she wanted them, I decided to make her 2 extra little gift tags as well. So I put those in there too. too to kind of match your order, and I think it turned out really cute. I tied the bag all up so it was ready to go, and this is definitely one of my favorite orders I've done probably over the month. It was really cute and I really like the turnout. So the last order I'm going to be packing up today is this fun Thanksgiving card order. So 4 cards, they're each pumpkins that are different and they all say Happy Thanksgiving on them. So just package them up as usual with the cute little string and sticker. And that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Here's a little look at my desk. I'm going to get back to work and I'll see you in my next video.